Hey, all you busy bees, it's Andy here. I know it's been a while since you've really heard from me, and so I wanted to give you a few quick updates on what's going on with the channel, what's going on with me, and where we're going from here. So, the channel, I know it's been quite a while since I posted anything to do with exactly what this channel is all about. And that's because I'm going to look into pivoting. I have a very big passion for all of these things, but it wasn't working out the way I wanted it to. So I want to do things a little differently now. So I want to pivot the channel just a little bit. Right now, you are seeing how this channel was just about gardening and bees and homesteading, but I want to get a little more specific about conservation for native bees and other insects. I want to talk about how to work on growing native plant life that will help those native insects, how we can conserve those things, different things to do in the greater Ohio River Valley, and also work more in the homesteading, urban homesteading in the growing area of 6A, 6B. So that's where we're going to be pivoting. You'll start seeing a lot more videos here coming soon. I have a Q&A video that I'm working on that I'm going to come out here soon, and I'm also have something about Buckeyes and how you can use Buckeyes as laundry detergent. So be on the lookout for those videos. I really appreciate you all. Again, thank you so much for buzzing by.